We are on the 7th floor of the Carlson building, and look what we have. We're not quite at the top just yet. Elevator to 8th and 9th floor. Here it is. Look at this button. Old cab. There's the bulbs hiding up there. This thing is tiny. You have to kind of let the door slam a little, or else it won't shut all the way. What is that? Someone inscribed something there. Oh my goodness, this elevator is tiny. Look at it. It probably could comfortably fit 2 people. It comfortably fits 1 person, and that's it. I think 2 people might even be pushing it. 3 would definitely be. All right, let's go up. Look out there. See the outside? Literally just a stair. That door is the machine room for the passenger elevators. That's just some suite, and that's the stairs. That's all that's up here. Interesting braille plates. I've seen these before, but not frequently. There's the 8th floor. The 8th floor. The 8th floor. Let's take it on one more ride. All right. One more ride back down. And look at this. Oh, and there's nails sticking down. At least they put a bunch of paint over the ends, so they're only a little sharp. But that's a nice touch, isn't it? Wouldn't you say? But look, my hand just goes right to the ceiling here. This really is not a big elevator by any means. But anyway, I wonder what that probably used to be a light fixture. They probably took it out so because I'm sure people are hitting their heads on it. But anyway, that's it.